Hello everybody. So today I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify Flow for automation. So first thing, we got to search Shopify Flow on the search bar. And just click on it and just download the app. Now once you've downloaded the app, after you have downloaded the app, you should create a form. You can use one of the supported forms processing templates to process your form submissions. You can use one meta object entry created trigger per flow for a form. So step number 1, select a template from the list of Shopify Flow forms processing templates, then click install. Step number 2, click the meta object entry created trigger. Step number 3, from the meta object definition drop down menu, select the form that you want to process submissions for. Step number 4, edit any necessary fields in the template, and then click turn on workflow. And after that, you're done. Thanks for watching.